If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection to verify that your connection is stable and has sufficient speed for online gaming. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, System Software, System Software Update and Settings, and select Update System Software to download and install any available updates. Step 3. Configure NAT type. Check your NAT type, as it can affect multiplayer connectivity. Go to Settings, Network, View Connection Status. Ideally, your NAT type should be Type 1 Open or Type 2 Moderate. If it's Type 3 Strict, consider adjusting your router settings or enabling UPnP. Step 4. Restart your console and router. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your PS5 and unplug your router for about 30 seconds. Then plug the router back in, wait for it to fully restart, and turn your PS5 back on. Step 5. Check game server status. If the issue persists, check if the game servers are down or experiencing issues. Visit the official website or social media pages of the game you are trying to play for any announcements regarding server outages or maintenance. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your PlayStation 5 for multiplayer gaming. If problems continue, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.